Okay, what's going on, guys? My name is Hamza, and right now we're going to test out the Flintstone pistol add-on. Now, I found this add-on at MCPE Master, so it's fine. So add-ons are finally implemented to MCPE Master, and add-ons are finally here. I'm going to be doing a video about add-ons, and then I'm going to be doing videos on how to get add-ons. So this one is going to be about the Flintstone pistol add-on. I think it's pretty cool, but when you get a Flintstone pistol add-on, the thing that is going to be your pistol is going to be a snowball. When you get your snowball, you can so if I spawn this villager and I take my snowball, here, let's get back in there. But if I take my snowball, then I can just went inside here. Let's just shoot it. Come on, get it. Got it. So we can just spawn in a bunch of villagers. And I keep on freaking get out of the sack. Come on. Ugh. Give me my gun. So I guess you'll just get these guns in a snow biome. So if your world doesn't have a snow biome, then you cannot do it. Come on. What? Come on. Snipe them all. Hey. Come on. Where are they? There you are. Alright. I think it's called Flintstone pistol is because it only has a pistol. There's nothing else other than this pistol. That is very laggy. There's really you could just like shoot anything. What's this? Spider. One hit. There we go. Spider right there. Let's see what else things we can kill. Look. Over here. There's also something really cool. A snow golem, when it will shoot things, it will actually shoot guns. Or I think so. I haven't tried it yet. Let's see. Let's see the truth. The amazing truth. Let's see how strong a snow golem can really be. Did it really just kill that skeleton? I think it did. Let's try that again. It's gonna do it. Look, it dropped pistols. It keeps on killing it, though. And bam. Dude, watch out, man. You're going to get killed. Okay, so these things only... You know what? You know what? Stand there. See about this. Look, it's trying to shoot a pistol at that Enderman. It's shooting the skeleton with the pistol. Look at that. So snow golems can actually just throw a pistol at you. So you might not want to get in the way of a snowman's snowball. Otherwise, you're dead if you're using this add-on. It's pretty awesome, right? Very cool indeed. Let's just / Time, set, day. There we go. There we go. Finally. Anyway, let's actually try some of these things in the daytime. So let's try it on creepers. Wow. Oh, it looks like the snow golem's about to go after that spider. You got this. I'm just going to... I'm not able... Oh, did I just kill a spider? Come on, come on. Okay, you know what? I'll show you how to do this. Now, this is what you don't do. This is what you do. There we go. Goodbye, guys.